how to fix lag in Honor of Kings. So the first thing that you want to do is sign into the game and click on the lag icon here in the top right to see how much MS you are getting. So afterwards, we will click on the settings icon here next to it, and we want to choose player support. Now make sure your region is correct. So here we'll click on changing region, and depending on where you are located, we'll just read through this information. You want to choose a region close to you. So here I'm just going to click on got it. For example, I'm from Europe, and here you want to choose the country in which you are located, and then you click on next and go through the prompts. If your country is selected, one more thing that you can do here is, I'm just going to close the game. You will go into your phone's settings. So click on settings, then you want to search for iPhone storage in the settings, like so. Click on iPhone storage. And from the list of applications, you will find Honor of Kings. You want to offload the application, and after you have offloaded it, this button is going to become reinstall. Click on reinstall to reinstall the app, and this should fix the issue. If again you are getting lag, the last thing that I can suggest doing is switching over from mobile data to Wi-Fi and vice versa from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and that is going to help. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time.